Guys, I just realized that I was streaming for. I wasn't streaming, I was offline for 40 minutes, and I just realized it right now. I fucking hate my fucking life, this fucking stupid fucking. This fucking piece of shit of my connection, that fucking stupid cunt bitch decided to disconnect my fucking stream. You stupid bastard. Why did you decide to fucking stop working? Okay, anyway, uh, that's what I did so far. Like, right now, I just, I created I'm trying to validate the JSON data that it gets input, right? And we have two for each loop, and we check if every single field is set, and then we will validate the value, right? The same thing with the arguments, and every time yeah, we should validate this. It will be a good thing. So now we only need to validate the fucking the length and word count values. So let's just go here. We have the count. Although let me check if we actually have this. If we actually have this field. So let me just let me just put this like this, and then we have the CMP and count. So we have CMP, CMP, and then count. So this CMP count, then we still have CMP and then count. So each field gets validated. If it isn't valid, we will return an error. We will get an error, right? Yeah. So if valid, will return HTTP, and the code will be HTTP malformat request. Probably 400. HTTP response code invalid input. Do we just have the 400? Oh, we also have this unprocessable entity. So we will return 422. And then exit. So this is a check to actually check if the values are set correctly. Right? Also, we should implement the feature that prevents us from inputting this this characters. Like if we just do this, check what happens. We definitely don't want that. We definitely don't want this. And this could happen. And this is the HTML injection attack. And guess what happened if I input this? Um, we will just do this, and then we will do this. Now guess what? Wait, hold on. Um, uh, Hold on. Oh, it's an error. Guess what? Look, this is a cross script attack, and we should avoid this. Like this is a critical security system issue. So if we execute this fetch on I don't know, on some targets, and then we will input this data, and then personal data. This will happen. It will fetch this. This code will be executed. And also, what the fuck is this? Oh, right. Look at this. We we fetched the fucking request, and we input our personal data. So this will be undefined because we don't have a variable personal data, but an attacker could easily exploit this. This is a critical security issue, and we should always parse these characters or refuse them. Like there are alternatives. Like if I remember correctly, on YouTube, YouTube will replace those characters with a very similar. Wait, am I streaming? Okay, yeah, I'm still streaming this time. If we go here on post, and then put this, I don't know actually. What should we actually do? Like, let's try to edit the title of this stream. If we go here, wait, the content, and then we go here, and then we do this. As you can see, the angle brackets are not allowed. But sometimes you can upload this with angular brackets, and YouTube will automatically parse this and convert it to a really similar symbol. So this is a serious issue. This is a serious security issue. So when we also, let me just do this. We should replace every single bracket with another character, right? So if we, let's see, we should replace so this is the, hold on, we should replace everything, like wait, let's go PHP replace character in string, every character in string. We have throw replace, and this is this deprecated? Anyway, so what if we have hold on. So we also have a single throw replace for an entire array. That's good. That's cool. So we have the search replace subject. This would be replaced to B, probably. Wait, what? Then B is replaced with C. Oh, that's interesting. So this is recursive, right? That's interesting. So it doesn't replace a single time, but it's actually recursive. So it keeps replace until it's done. This is interesting. So we need an array, right? So let's modify the put option, and we will just store replace. Then we have an array. The array is, we have the angular brackets and then the right angular brackets. Then the replace will be angular brackets alternative, No, I want to replace it with GT, and I don't want to replace it with this because it's kind of weird. Um, Wait. We just need a good alternative. Probably this too. Let's see. Um. Okay. I would use this too. Yeah. Let me just copy this and paste it right here. So Visual Studio Code highlights similar characters that are actually invalid to prevent um, to prevent mm, to prevent bad usage, to prevent confusion. Visual Studio Code actually replaced the, and it doesn't replace it, but it highlights weird characters or even invisible characters gets highlighted. That's a good feature because sometimes you have sometimes website puts weird invisible characters that you cannot see it, and when you compile your code it will throw an error, and it's like an invisible error. Sometimes some people do that and they are pieces of shit actually, because you are just you are damaging them. You're wasting their time, like you're causing them um, weird errors. But Visual Studio Code actually has a solution. But for but in this case, it's not an error. It's just a replacement characters to prevent HTML injection, right? So it should do the same thing right here. Where the fuck is it? Wait, hold on. Um, wait. We have this, and on error should be replaced. So the on error field should be replaced, right? Probably. So where is it? Oh my fucking god. Here. So we'll do this, and then RB on violation MSG. We will just replace this. This is pretty much how it works. Now everything else should be good. So this is this part will be replaced with a front-end script. Right? And I think this could work. So if everything is okay, we will finally query that request. So we can just execute our query, and then what's the fucking keyword? Probably set. No. I forgot what's the. I forgot the keyword. I mean, probably it's update. I think it's update. Update farms, and then I have to specify set rules probably equals to this, and then I will just put the rules data, right? Let's see if it works. So we have this, right? Let's try to, okay. And oh god. Also, I just forgot to, oh god, I forgot to add this. This is really important because that could cause, damages. Then we have form ID, and this will be replaced with ID. And then we also have form ID right here. So now everything should work. Let's see if this actually works. Now we have an error. The error is, oh, this is interesting. So what do we set? What did we set right here? And god damn it. God fucking damn it. So we have the rules data, and inside of rules data we have the rule. We have rule blocks, right? But actually this is a set. So we have S rules. So this is actually a triple for each loop. Jesus, this is okay. So we have, this is the first cycle, this is the second. Hold on, wait. I'm still streaming. Let me just check. Yeah, I'm still streaming. So this part failed because this error is returned, but this is actually the right value. And this is so Jesus, this is annoying. I don't know what the actual fuck is wrong. Okay, this could be annoying. So let's try to echo 1, echo 2, echo 3, echo 4, and echo 5. Let's try again. Let's see what we get. Literally no response. What? How? Why do we get oh, we also have echo 6. Now let's check if we get something. We don't have anything. Like nothing is printed. But we don't exactly know where it fails, but I don't know. This is weird. I also have this part. Let's put this 7, 8. Let's try again. Oh, it's the last one. Wait, this is the length, right? So, what actually went wrong here? Right, I think I know. This is annoying. Yeah, this is fucking annoying. But at least we know what actually went wrong. So we have this is set, and is set, is set, and then again. And the exact same thing should be applied here. So I just forgot to implement this. Let's see what happens. Array to string conversion, line 104. The fuck you mean? What do you mean? Array to string? Wait, what? Oh, wait. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, this was a little bit weird, but oh god, fucking damn it. I need to json.encode this. Now everything should be okay. Okay, we got this response. Let's try to check our database. So we have localhost.phpMyAdmin. Let's see what we get. How long am I streaming for? 30 minutes plus 45 minutes on the other stream. That this actually lasts 15 minutes. So this is like 1 hour because I stopped streaming for 45 minutes. So this counts as an hour. And so it's actually 90 minutes. We have forms, and then we have this. So this is actually what we want. Did it replace it? Did it replace the characters? I don't think so. This is the normal bracket character. It didn't replace. Stupid fucking PHP. So this shit didn't replace. Oh my fucking god. PHP is a fucking stupid language, I swear to God. So if this is valid, we'll break, or else we will do this. So, oh my god, do I need to Oh god, I think I need to. I think I think PHP creates copies of. Oh my fucking god! So we have the rules data at y at I. So we need to. I think this is the right way. Let's try again. If we hit this, we will get no errors. Let's check the database, refresh. Let's see if we actually did something, right? No, don't do that. And it fucking didn't. It didn't anything. This stupid fucking piece of shit. Also, um, I don't know, but this is an invalid character. Actually, this is an invalid variable. Why did an error? Why this stupid fucking piece of shit did an error? PHP is a fucking joke. I swear to God. Let's try again. So every time we... Oh my fucking god. Can you just do this? It doesn't work. Why are you so stupid? Actually, we need to replace it right here. So, hold on. So this is a switch case, right? So I need to replace it right here. So this is the first for each, and this is the second for each. So this is actually this is another variable that we have right here. For some reason this shit doesn't error. I don't know why. Let's try again. It did an error. We get no response. Let's see if this actually works. Yo, it did. Look, it fucking did. It worked. So, what if we try to print it out? So, let's try to 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 actually the rules aren't commented, so that's good. Let's try to get the rule right. So we have the farm, Uh, wait. Yeah, we have the form. That's the response. So we have this. And let's try to um where is it? Let's try to print that out. So probably it's load form, right? And then we will just console console.log. We will just console.log o dot rule rules. Let's try this. So undefined is not a valid JSON. Um, hold on. What the fuck you mean? How is that? How is that not undefined? What the fuck is that? The line is 69, and actually, oh, this is just the catch thing. How is this undefined? What the fuck you mean? This pisses me off. How is this undefined? Why? If we remove this, well, do we get the same error? Wait, are you serious? We fucking get the same error. Hold on. Where the fuck is the error? Oh wait. Oh wait, I know. Where is it? I fucking know. Wait, yeah, I know. I know where is it exactly. The fact is, I actually we unset this, but this actually should be um yeah. Let me just um let me just do this. If this, we will unset this attributes. Okay, I know exactly what happened. So let's try to refresh this once again, and now we have everything. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. That makes sense. Now let's try to log the rules, or just look at here. This isn't. Wait. Hold on. We shouldn't do this actually, or we should. So we need to parse the JSON attribute. Okay, we can do that. Let's do this. And now let's refresh again and see if everything works. So we have an array, and then we have, look at this. This is this is what we want. This is what we want. Right? Yeah, this is what we want. We have the on violation MSG, and this actually won't influence this will replace the brackets, and and everything won't be influenced. We also have the same thing for the quotes. It just get removed. Probably this will get replaced by another type, but this yeah, this is just, yeah, we should do the same thing with the double quotes. We also have the same thing here. Yeah, we should replace every attribute with this. So for this label we replace the single quote character with this to to prevent HTML to prevent injections. Also, when we should also be able to load the rules. So if we go to load forms, let's create a new function that loads the rules, right? So we have save rules, but also we have function load rules, and then we have rules, and this simply defines rules data to rules. Yeah, probably. So we can actually get rid of this and just use load rules just like that. So what if we press F5? Let's add it, and honestly we should also wait. Hold on, let me just we should also be able to refresh the elements and the element. I mean the fucking where the fuck is it? Hold on, refresh roots element right here. We will pass this, and we will get rid of this console.log. And then let's just refresh this, and here we go. Now we have it. Um, yeah, it works. It works. So now we can refresh this, and everything. It's just, we can save this, save and apply, and then if we reload this, we get the same thing. We can do that. I mean, let's try to replace this the brackets, save and apply, refresh it, and then we get this. How cool is that? So this part is this is the JavaScript part. So we should also handle the JavaScript part and prevent unwanted injections. And this is the field ID. So we can just save this. Hold on. Probably this. Let's save it. Let's refresh. And that's weird. So this is a warning. If we save this. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah. That's basically what we wanted. So now we should try to fix the error. Like we should fix this and replace, and we should also replace the characters, right? So if we have this, this will get replaced. Even the D, that's good. And this, and you cannot input any. Right. So, do we have a double? This wait. Double quotes alternative and we need a good alternative for this part. And so we have this. This is apostrophe. And honestly, I don't know if I should. Wait, let me just go on Twitter and just search for probably XYZ. Hold on. Let me just query this, and as you can see, we get another type of quotes. No, that's not true. I just know that this showed another type of quotes on. And this actually errors the system. Nice. We need double quotes alternative character. Wait, am I streaming? Am I still streaming? Yeah. Hold on. Okay. Good. Double quotes character. Um, wait, double quotation character alternative. Oh wait, are these two the same character? We also have this and this. I will use this. Yeah, let me just go here on edit.php and wait, no, it's not on builder.js and find this character. So we have replace all, and then we have this. Hold on, let me just do this, and then we have this. No, we don't have it. I mean, we have this, right? Oh, interesting. This isn't flagged. So be careful because Visual Studio Code doesn't flag this character. Wait, I should probably place that here. So we should replace this. And also, we should replace. Okay, this looks a little bit weird. A little bit too much, honestly. We should also replace this. Yeah. Let's do it right now. So we have these two characters, and we will just replace this. So now everything should be fine, right? So let's see if this actually works. So let's hard refresh this, and let's see if everything works correctly. So we can put this, and we have an error. Oh, hold on. Okay, this is yeah, this is a so let's try this way. So we still have this issue, right? But if we go here, it will be replaced with this angular brackets. The same thing happens here. It will be replaced. That's good. That's good. We should probably do we should probably do this on the backend side. So if we go on the PHP part, we should also do the same thing. Like we should replace everything. So unfortunately, we cannot do the same thing with the other string. But I will find a way. For now, I will just paste this. But I will definitely find a way to do the same thing here, because this could be a problem, probably. Let's see. Yeah, it doesn't even work. Like you put it there, but it's not actually there. That's probably a good thing, right? So we can edit this label and get this. That's good. That's good. So the last thing I do before ending the stream, I will um I will replace this characters. So on the put statement, I already did this. That's good. That's good. That's good. So if we refresh this, actually get the what we want. So we get this. So even if we refresh this, we get the right values, right? We do the same thing with a single um, bracket character, and this will be replaced the with this symbol. And probably I can also implement the other part, this. So let's go back here. So if we make this characters, we will just replace this to this. Oh my fucking god. And now let's try to refresh this. So what if we save this? What will happen? We get an error. Oh my god. I think I fucked up. I probably fucked up. Let's see what happened actually. What happened? So we have, let's refresh this. We have the fields data, right? And yeah, I see what happened. So everything got replaced. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is, oh god. Uh, I don't know why it does this. Even if we decoded the fucking PHP, the fucking data. I don't know why. Like it keeps. I don't. Why does it replace the attribute field? That this doesn't make any sense. It's fucking weird. So let me just do this temporarily. I will just um wait stir replace wait no so we have this, so dot fields data equals to replace just do this temporarily. This is a temporary function to to recover the farm. Let's see if it works. It doesn't. Bro, what the hell? Oh god. So wait. Hold on. What the fuck? Actually, everything should work. Right? Fields data. This is a valid JSON, right? Oh my god, what the hell? For some reason it didn't work. Are you stupid? Are you a fucking idiot? So let me just let me just replace this part. So replace character online bro, what the so we have this and we replace this with this. Replace text. Oh, it replaced this. Okay. And then we will put it here. And let's see if that works. So if we refresh this, we don't get anything back. But look what I do now. I just save this. What the fuck? Wait. Hold on. Can you fucking save this? Does it save? It doesn't. Wait. Okay. And now, are you fucking serious? Are you fucking serious right now? Why it doesn't work? Wait. Let me just oh my fucking god. I'm just gonna add this here. Now, let me just replace this shit. Wait. Should I just print this console doc? We will print this. We will copy it and paste it right here. Now let's see if that works. It didn't. Wait, that's weird. This shouldn't be. This is so weird. Oh, that's why, you stupid little bitch. That's fucking why. So we have to. We also just do this. Let's console.log this. Actually, can we just save? Can we just save this? Save. I don't fucking know. I don't know. But if we do this, like, let me just let me refresh this. Nothing happened. But now, hold on. Let me just do this. So we have this part here, and we will replace this. So let's copy all of that right here and paste it here. And let's try again. Okay. Luckily we managed to recover this. Wait, did I just wait? Okay, I didn't. So I'm not gonna touch this function for now. No, I'm not gonna touch it. So we have, let's just revert this, like, we have this for now, and I think it's more than enough, right? Wait, did it just, where the fuck is it? Wait, I actually replaced this. I'm not. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna remove this. I don't know. PHP is a fucking weird language. So I'm just gonna do this for now. So nothing is lost, right? Yeah. PHP is fucking weird. Like, what the fuck are you doing, PHP? Why are you replacing the fucking attributes? Like, fucking is wrong with you? This isn't the encoded JSON. This is the fucking decoded shit. But for some reason, it just gets replaced anyway. Why the fuck are you doing that? This makes zero sense. So if we do that, so we get the encoded part, and if we do this, we will just. Oh wait, I know why. I fucking know why. I know why. I know. I know. I know. It pisses me off. It fucking pisses me off. The reason is pretty simple. So the actual reason is we didn't encode this part. So, oh my fucking god. We should encode this part. Yeah, that's what we need to do. So, so we have fields data, right? I'm not gonna do that. I'm sorry, but for now I just keep this shit. The thing is, nothing happens if we put this. Like, if we put this, it just disappears. Like the label just disappears. Yeah, this is not a good thing. This is not a good thing. This is a fucking This is a vulnerability. So if I decide to, put this, um, so if I decided to, put this, I cannot even do that. Okay. Uh, right. So this should be fine. So the cross script attack is really hard to perform because even if you put the double quotation mark. Okay. For now, I'm just gonna end the stream. Wait, how much on a stream? I mean, even if you, how long? 80 minutes. So that's pretty much it for now. I will improve this part, but for now, we fixed the thing here, so we don't have the we don't have there is no way to perform this attack. Like we have this, but even if we if we add a rule, like we do this. Wait, this is actually, let me just create an input. You get the input, but if you save this and actually refresh it, this is what we actually saved. So nothing will happen. literally nothing. And that's a good thing. That's a good thing. The same thing applies here. Like, this is a backend check, so there is no way to avoid this. Right? Yeah. This is, even if we added this, actually we get the other character. So, and this is actually, this looks pretty cool. Look at this. So even if we do this, like, this is actually the front end side, but if we actually refresh, this is what we actually saved. Yeah, there is no way to avoid this. We can check it, and we can also check it right here. So if we go to localhost and then example one, we get this character, the character. I mean, we can still wait. Wait, hold on. Bro, what the fuck? We get a random error. Oh, right. I know why. ID info. We don't have this. Now we have it. Let's try. Yep, it works. I fucking, my heart stopped beating for a second. I had a panic attack because, like, you definitely don't want weird bugs. Like, you definitely don't want um, random things to stop working randomly, right? So, uh, this is this is good. You have this. We have every element. We can also type. We can also have something here, and then we. Let me just close this. Then we open this, and fuck you. And we have this, right? And then we just go on actions. I mean, no, on events, and then we have this on field ID, and then we type something here, and then we get we get the if duplicate this, if the value is on field ID is, now we can just do this, and then on field ID something is, I don't know, A, we will set the value of something to 0, right? We can save this and let's see what happens. See, if we I typed A but I got 0 instead, that means that means that this works. Like, look, I can do this and it just gets replaced. That's good. Look, I can delete this. Like, I have this, I can delete this, and then I get 0. How cool is that? We can also, replace, we can replace bad words or slurs. So if we have, if this is equal to fuck, we will get 1, 2, 3, 4. We can save this, right? We refresh this, and then we will, we get it's pretty cool. And if you want, you can just create, you have an entire logic gate here. Like, you can get letter or replace, you can do many things here. And because we can, we can just type this and it doesn't work, but it's up to you. But this is really easy to implement, because we just get we can just do this, replace this with this and this, right? So yeah, that's what we get. So this is the most complicated tool to use, and this is the second most complicated. And the rest is easy to use. Like, for developers, everything should be easy, right? So I'm streaming for 90 minutes now. So it's time to end the stream. Thank you so much for watching the stream, and I will see you